Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of m, where m plus m times m is equal to 10, or m plus m times m is m square times m is m cube is equal to 10, or m plus m cube. Now taking this 10 to left side, we will get negative 10 is equal to 0, or m plus m cube. Now this negative 10 can be written as negative 8 and negative 2 is equal to 0, or now rearranging left sides, we can write here m cube minus 8 plus m minus 2 is equal to 0, or open bracket m cube minus 8 can be written as 2 cube close bracket, plus here we can take common plus 1, so we will get m minus 2 close bracket is equal to 0. Or now here we can use an algebraic formula. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now here we can use this algebraic formula, so we can write here m minus 2 times m square plus m times 2 is twice m plus 2 square, that means 4, plus this 1 times m minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common m minus 2, here we will get m square plus twice m plus 4, and here we will get plus 1 is equal to 0. Or m minus 2 times m square plus twice m, now 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here m minus 2 is equal to 0 and m square plus twice m plus 5 is equal to 0. Or m, now taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get positive 2. So our first value of m is equal to 2, and it is a natural solutions. Then from here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. Or m is equal to minus b, that means 2, plus or minus the square root of b is 2, so we can write here 2 square minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 5, over 2 times a is 1. or m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square, that means 4, minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, over 2 times 1 is 2, or m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20 is minus 16 over 2, or m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, here we can write square root of 16 times square root of negative 1 over 2, or m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, we know that square root of 16 is 4 and square root of negative 1 is I over 2 is equal to, here we can take common 2, so we will get negative 1 plus or minus 2i over 2. Now these two cancel out these two, so there are two values of m, so m is equal to negative 1 plus twice I, and m is equal to negative 1 negative twice I. So they are, and these two values are complex value. Okay, so there are totally three values of m. M is equal to 2, m is equal to negative 1 plus twice I, and m is equal to negative 1 negative twice I. Now check, questions have given m plus m times m is equal to 10, m plus m times m is equal to 10. Here m is equal to 2, so we can write here 2 plus 2 times 2 times 2 is it equal to 10, or 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, is it equal to 10. Now we know that 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, so 10 is equal to 10. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here m is equal to 2 is correct. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.